During extreme summer heat in Melbourne, HVAC systems often struggle due to heavy demand, airflow restrictions, and deferred maintenance. Dirty filters, duct leaks, or insulation gaps can reduce cooling efficiency. At Priority Home Inspections, we evaluate visible HVAC components, airflow patterns, and ventilation conditions to help detect early issues. Understanding these factors supports better comfort and system performance. If you live in Melbourne, schedule your home inspection with Priority Home Inspections today.